Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. By the way, I'm Poster Rich and welcome to my channel! For today's video, samahan niyo po ako mag-repot ng aking Gymno-Calicium Horstii na cactus. And of course, I'll also be sharing some basic care tips, especially for beginners. So, let's go! So, eto siya sa lumang pot niya. Actually, okay pa naman siya sa pot niya. I think I got this cactus 2 or 3 months ago. I'm not sure kasi it's been a crazy few months for me. But when I got it, I trimmed the roots kaya pwede siya sa ganitong ka-shallow na pot. But I got influenced by a comment nung I made the Batman cactus video. So shout out kay Babin TV or Babin, however you pronounce it. Kasi siya yung nag-comment na he's planning to buy a Batman cactus and put it on a Bulbasaur pot. And it gave me an idea kasi parang bagay si Horstii sa Bulbasaur na pot. Especially this one because this is a special type of Horstii with only 5 ribs. Kasi yung ibang Horstii 7, 8 ribs or so. So parang naisip ko na parang bagay siya sa Bulbasaur pot. So naghanap ako ng Bulbasaur pot sa Shopee. And sadly, medyo mahal yung karamihan, like 300 above. And luckily, I found this seller sa Shopee. They do 3D printing. Actually, wala pa silang rating. But I have no problems naman or qualms on buying sa mga new seller. Kasi we all have to start somewhere. I mean, like even me here in YouTube, diba, with only a few subscribers. I think, we just have to be open-minded and give chance to people who are putting themselves out there. And what I like about their products is that it's hand-painted. So even though na modern yung 3D printing, at least may touch pa rin ng personal art because it's hand-painted. So bago pa man natin siya i-repot, let's unbox the Bulbasaur planter pot. Hopefully kasya yung cactus ko. Pero meron pa naman ako isang Gymno-Calicium Horstii na mas maliit. Wow, ang ganda ng packaging. It looks very legit. See? Ganda. Oh, and it came with a freebie. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Wow, props for the packaging. And here it is. Wow, it's really nice. Oh, nagmamatch. Wow, it's nice. Yeah, so you can see it's really hand-painted. And that's the sign na 3D printed siya. So ayan, this is the Bulbasaur pot. It's from Happy Prints PH. I'll put the link of the seller sa description box. I like the fact na it's not too perfect. What I mean is, you can see sa mga pagka-paint, hindi siya talaga yung may certain shape. So it's really hand-painted. So it's like a fusion of modern and a personal touch. Kasi modern, kasi it's a 3D print. And then the personal touch, because it's hand-painted, so it makes it human. And for me personally, I think perfection is overrated. Sadly, I don't think na pwede kong i-repot sa kanya yung horsetail na to. Kasi, being true to the Bulbasaur shape, ayan o, medyo shallow talaga yung sa puwetan niya. So, parang 1 inch lang yata to, ka-shallow. But yeah, since this is a repotting video, I'll repot it here. Just for the photos and the video sake. But in the long run, I think ang ililigay ko talaga ay yung mas maliit na cactus. Bulbasaur, how are you doing?
It's Bulbasaur! How are you doing?
So here it is, the Jimno Calicium Horsetail on a Bulbasaur pot. Actually, meron pa akong isa which is a token size. The token size got 7 ribs and the regular size got 5 ribs. The Jimno Calicium Horsetail is native to Uruguay, Eastern Paraguay, Southern Brazil, and Northeastern Argentina. As you guys can see, it's a globular cactus. Actually, para siyang bola, but some even say na mukha siyang tinapay. Yung Monoy ba yun? Tama ba? And also, it's got a smooth and shiny na texture. As for the care tips, I think I've said it before na ang mga Gymnocalcium type na cactus ay best for beginners because they're really low maintenance. For your soil mix, dapat fast or well-draining siya. Meaning, hindi magsisit sa water yung cactus within a day or two after watering. You can propagate it by the offsets or pops. Meaning, nagkakabibi siya dito sa mga areoles niya. And then, you can just cut it and iruroot nyo na siya like this token size. Or even by seeds because nagkakabulaklak siya. Mga bulaklak niya usually ay white or pale pink. As for watering, they rapidly grow during summer. So, you should water it at least once a week. But please check that the soil is dry between watering. Sa tag-ulan naman, nagdo-dormant phase siya. So, pwede mo siyang diligan ng twice a month or even once a month and it'll be okay. As for sun exposure, it needs at least 5 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Some experts say na wag mo daw masyadong ibabad ang Gymnocalcium horsetail sa araw, otherwise hindi siya magbubulaklak. Pero some other experts say naman na gusto niya yung araw at lalo siya magbubulaklak. So please comment below kung meron kayong horsetail at kung ano ba yung nag-work para sa inyo. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, it's your boy Rich, and I'll see you on the next video. Bulbasaur, did you enjoy the video?
Bulbasaur, Bulba. Bulba.
Huh?